Make a great choice today with the 2018 Chevy Traverse. Chevy Traverse is more stylish than minivans and far more fuel and space efficient than truck-based SUVs. Crossovers like the Traverse are excellent family vehicles and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: towing package, all-wheel drive, heated side mirrors, traction control, daytime running lights, remote keyless entry, fog lights, power brakes, power driver mirrors, remote trunk release. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.